Try before you buy with our plastic cold cup sample kit. It's a risk-free way to find the perfect cup for your establishment, from budget-friendly to compostable options. Our Choice brand cups offer 3 collections. The translucent thin wall cup is an economy option made from polypropylene with ribbed sidewalls for easy handling. Not compatible with lids, these cups are ideal for quick drinks and perfect for concessions, food trucks, and bars. Choice PET cups are our most popular. Durable and crack resistant, these cups have a variety of compatible lids available for takeout and on-the-go use. The crystal clear design showcases your beverages, and they're customizable to highlight your brand. For a premium look and feel, our Choice heavyweight cups are crack and bend resistant, perfect for thick milkshakes and smoothies. Sturdy enough to be used without a lid, compatible lids are also available as an on-the-go option. Choice PET and heavyweight cups use versatile lids that fit multiple sizes, reducing your lid inventory and eliminating compatibility guesswork. This kit also includes 2 eco-friendly compostable options made from PLA. EcoChoice cups are economical and earth-friendly. Available with compatible flat and dome lids, these cups are perfect for on-the-go. New Roots cups are the leader in sustainable choices. They're not just good for the planet, they're convenient too, with compatible flat and dome lids available. In partnership with the National Forest Foundation, we plant trees for every case of cups or lids sold. This makes it easier than ever to make a positive impact on your community.